Sure hop on. Oh yeah, no, you
A little bit.
maybe just a goddamn.
Oh look. Nah, shit.
Yeah, just probably the tree.
All right, go ahead.
My name is Oscar Vargas. It's OSCAR-VARGAS. I was the second neighbor away from the incident. I was just there minding my own business, doing my homework. My brother was in his room painting. I was gonna help him out, and then I hear an explosion, and I wasn't too sure what happened. So me and my brother went to go investigate, and then all of a sudden I hear children screaming. And then me and him, we went back to the house to check, but then all of a sudden, as soon as we walked away, the mega explosion happened. Everything was flying around. There was ashes, there was fire, there was a bunch of fireworks that was still about to light up, flying towards us. We managed to go inside and grab our dog, and then we were trying to get something else, but we couldn't have the time. As soon as we ran out, we were trying to alert our neighbors, but we didn't have time, so we went across the street, we waited, and they came out last. There was 6 people in the back of the house. They all came out safely. Her son was injured by the glass shard, but all of them, everyone was fine. And then a few minutes later, we see a second explosion, and that was way more aggressive. And there was a lot of people rounding up, recording, and then all of a sudden, we all started scattering. Everyone left right. I started screaming, telling everyone go fast as possible. We all went to the apartments here, and then as the whole shockwave, everyone has felt it. Even my friend who lives all the way down the street, at least a mile away, everyone felt it, and they were earthquake shit, an aftershock. All of a sudden, we're here now that everyone here is safe. Some injured. The man, I don't think he made it. Honestly, his wife and kids are out here. His brother might have called. What I've known is that his brother called them and he heard them screaming through the phone. And I don't think they made it. And right now, as far as details, I don't know nothing else. My house might have been burned. My neighbor might have been burned.
So you live next door to the house that exploded?
I'm second next door neighbor to the house.
Next door, okay. And so you think everybody in the house that exploded got out?
Everybody, yes. The kids, but I'm not sure about the father.
Okay.
Father might not made it. There's a couple of horses there, but honestly, it was more. Well, I can't really say anymore. I wasn't really a damn person,
Okay.
but
Awesome.
from that kind of explosion radius, I don't think no one could survive that.
That's good. Do you have any? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Go ahead.
Tametra Shaw, TAMETRASHAW. I was in the washroom right here, and I just heard a big old explosion, shook the whole apartment. And it was at first 3 big ones, and then when I came out the washroom, it was another big one, and that one busted all of our windows. It sucked in, and then it busted out. And then when I walked out here, I could see the fireworks coming from the house and the fire. So then I'm like, okay, a house caught on fire with fireworks, because we normally hear fireworks every night anyways.
Yeah.
So it made sense.
So they have fireworks quite a bit. Okay.
Well, we didn't know where it came from. Once we hear the fireworks at night, we never know where it comes from, but it made sense now that we see. So then it just started going off more. And after a while, we seen their roof go up and then slowly come down, but into pieces. And the fire just kept going off.
Okay. So how far away is the house that exploded from where you're at?
It's right, if you look across the street, it's right behind there.
Okay.
So right behind these houses right here, if you see the firefighters, they're spraying through that little part right there, that's where the houses are.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, so it's pretty close.
Do you know, did everybody get out of the house safely? Do you know?
I'm not sure.
Okay.
I don't know. I know I've seen a lot of people that's coming into our yard crying, so I know somebody got hurt or something bad happened.
All right.
But hopefully everybody made it out safe, though.
Awesome. Okay, thank you.
No problem.
Okay, well, go ahead.
Christine Morales, Mireles, and I came out here because friends were texting me about the explosion that had happened. We saw some tweets that were some explosions, so I came out here just to see if everything was okay. Wanted to offer any prayer for the community. I'm one of the city pastors for our church, and just wanted to make sure everything was okay.
Awesome. What church are you from?
The Rock in Anaheim.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah,
Cool, thank you.